Hi there guys, today we'll be talking about the AFRIC 2000 watt electric chainsaw. We're going to be doing an assembly as well as an unboxing. Alright, let's get to it. So let's see what's inside the box. Right, inside the box you have your cutting bar cover, your chainsaw shield, your chain, manual, cutting bar, and the chainsaw itself. Right, before you assemble your chainsaw, it's good to know what's on it. On the top of the chainsaw you have your oil filler cap. On the side you have your oil viewport. And on the rear you have your trigger. Right, let's get to assembly. Now that you're ready for assembly, you want to have your chainsaw facing flat, like so. Then you're going to take your cutting bar and you're going to take your cutting chain and you're going to thread it into the recess on the bar. Once you've done that, you can take the bar and place it onto the threaded rod, feeding the chain over the clutch plate, like so. Make sure that your chain is still in the recess of your bar. Right. Then you want to flip it onto its side, holding the chain bar like so, and then you take your shield and thread it on. Now that you have your shield on, you're ready to tension your chain. You want to realign your chain, make sure it's in this recess of your bar. Then you're going to turn the blue knob until the bar is just tense enough that you can snap it back into place. Right, now you're ready for solder.